All right, we are done. This 3-string Arturo Fuente cigar box guitar was modeled after the guitar I built for David Crowder. It's got a two-way switch here that switches between a single coil and an under the saddle piezo. It has a volume knob, and this volume knob has a screw there so that you can tell what the volume is. 2 metal F-hole covers, 8 golden corners, an input jack. I call this the that tower in Paris, what's it called? The Eiffel Tower saddle. The screws are golden and also on the top for position markers. There is a scarf joint on this guy and golden tuners on the back. And I do have wings to make that headstock a little bit wider. Of course, the hook. And the fretboard has been dark stained to give it some contrast. This is build number 172. Alright, let's plug this thing in. Alright, we are going to test drive this Arturo Fuente 3-string cigar box guitar. First off, I've got the piezo, which is under the saddle, and I'm tuned G, D, G. And I'm generating sounds using the Roland Mobile Cube. So that was distortion on the piezo. This is distortion on the single coil. Alright, so let's go back to the piezo, and then I'll get a clean sound here. How about electric clean? And there is a spring inside, so it gives it that reverb sound. The single coil. And then of course the middle, which is both the piezo and the single coil. So, sounds pretty good to me. Number 172, Arturo Fuente, modeled after the David Crowder